Hey everyone, okay, so dear makeup and skincare companies, this is what we want. And by we, I'm referring to me, but also you. So, dear companies, what I think should be on the bottle of any skincare, foundation, concealer, anything in a pump, should be the amount of product. Now, I don't mean 30 mils. We know that there's 30 mils in products because it says, or 60 or whatever. What we don't know is how long that product is going to last. I really think that all companies should have on their packaging how many pumps is in the actual jar. So whether it is this one or this one, it should say contains 100 pumps. That way we can make an informed decision, because there may be this really amazing skincare product and you're thinking, can I justify the price? If you knew how long it would last, you could justify it to yourself and say, okay, I can afford that, or no, I can't. Because if something is so amazing, but it's going to last you 2 weeks, a lot of people, they're not going to be able to afford it. I know I wouldn't bother. So that's what I think we want. Same with foundation. If you remember ages and years ago, I did a test. I emptied an entire bottle of foundation out to find out how many pumps was in there. But the problem is that each foundation has a different pump that pumps out a different amount of product. So that's what I think is so important. It should say contains 60 pumps. And also it should be stated, with skincare, will one pump be enough to cover one's face? Or with foundation, that's sort of more subjective, because some people like to do one pump, some people do 2 or 3, but that's different. But with skincare, if one pump will cover our faces, great. Say that on the packaging, contains 80 pumps, 1 pump is enough. Then you go, okay, that's 3 months, I can afford this. Or it's not within my budget. There is 30 mils in here, but it's gonna last you 2 days. I find it incredibly frustrating because it's difficult to put together a comprehensive or even a small, decent skincare routine. With a budget in mind, you have to keep in mind that how much is this going to cost me over a course of a year? And we just don't know. And it's irritating. So please, companies, makeup, foundation, concealers, liquids, creams in pumps. Please put there how many pumps is in the container. It would be most helpful. If you agree, hit the like button. If you don't, well, you're going to thumbs it down, aren't you? And I don't appreciate that. I really don't. See you next time. Bye-bye.